Так, все. Hello, 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 hello. Guys, hi to everyone. Hope you can hear me and see me well. Okay, everything is good. Perfect, perfect. So, how's everyone? Checking the connection, how all this working? Looks like it's lagging a little bit. Yeah, the video is lagging a little bit, but it should be fine by the... Yeah, okay, just always changing. But all of this is going pretty good, I think. Guys, text me in the comments. How do you see me? How do you... Oh, sorry. I just didn't change the... So, hello, hello. Hi, Lisa. I can see and hear you well. Okay, perfect. Hi, Lisa. I'm Abdul from Sri Lanka. We can hear you loud and clear. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Because I'm worried a little bit if it's not working that good. But everything is fine, okay? It's always, something with YouTube. Every time I'm worrying about, oh, what if it will not work that well or something. But thankfully, it's all great. So, guys, let's start soon. Guys, text me in the comments firstly, as I always ask you, where are you from? This is the first question I always ask you in the comments. So guys, please text me because it's really interesting from where people watching me. So yeah, guys, I'm waiting for your comments, and we're also waiting for more people to join. So let's wait. So, wait a second, guys. So, okay. I see Pakistan. My name is Shaman Akhtar from India, Nigeria. Amitan from Mozambique. Okay, perfect, guys. I'm Sadie, watching you from Adelaide, Australia. Australia, hello. I'm really near to Australia, and right now in Bali, Indonesia. So, hello. I'm sure you've been to Indonesia and Bali in general, because I know that many people that living in Australia going to Bali for holidays because it's really near. Actually, I think it's 3 hours flight or something. So yeah, text me if you've been in Bali, because I'm here right now. Nigeria, I'm from Benue State, Nigeria. Okay, so many people from Nigeria. Sadie here, hello, from India. Cameroon, okay, perfect. I love your voice trading sessions. Thank you so much. Lolita, Macedonia, Louisiana. Wow. Hello, Pakistan, Bernie, Canada, sorry, not Canada. Canada, we just pronounce it in Russian like Canada, but actually I know it's Canada, sorry. So yeah, nice to see you. When I hear that and I see that here are some people from US or Great Britain or from Canada, I feel a little bit like, oh, because the English is my second language, not my native one. So I'm always like, trying to be really careful about what I'm saying when I'm around people from these countries, because your English is perfect, you're native speakers, and I always feel like, oh, I need to speak more better and everything. So I'm waiting for feedback. How is my English for you? So Macedonia, Ghana, Salman from Pakistan, Kentucky. Hello, Kentucky. That's what I was talking about. Currently in the UK. That's it. That's what I was talking about right now. Ali from Pakistan. Hi, 8. Lisa, 8. Don't need to eat me. From Philippines. You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. I actually want to go to Philippines one time, because I've been there one time just because of the layover. I had a flight back to Russia from Bali, and I had a flight to Philippines because of that, because there was no straight flights from Nigeria. But I want to go there actually to, I forgot the name of the city, but Philippines is really nice. One of my friends were learning skydiving there, and she got a really professional like license of skydiving. It's crazy. Your English is excellent. Thank you so much. Kentucky English 8 of 8 out of 10. Thank you. Actually, it's a really really honest thing. I'm sure. I know I need to work more on this because I just can do better. You always can do better and speak better, look thinner. You know it is. You know this movie. I hope so. So yeah, it's 8 out of 10, definitely. I want to meet you, please. Wow, I'll wait you here. Okay. I want to meet with one of my subscribers sometime. Never met. I'm watching from Nigeria, Washington State. Hello, United States. How are you? Perfect English. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So nice to see you all, guys. Today you're really active, and I love it. Thank you so much for your comments. So also, if it's not gonna be really difficult for you, text right now in the comments how long are you in trading, how you end up here on my live stream, how do you know me. So, but more important question is, what about trading? Like, how did you end up here? Why you decided to start trading? Maybe you had experience before, you traded with other traders, or you do it by yourself, or you're totally newbie and you're here for the first time and you just want to start learning in this industry. So guys, let me know. I love and watching from Nigeria. Anthony here. So yeah, guys, my question is, what is your experience in trading? What do you want to achieve in this industry as well? You just start, or maybe you already was trading before. So I could understand what kind of audience I have here and what can I explain to you or something. 12 years in trading and by myself. Oh, perfect. That's a really great result, actually. And really nice to hear when people that learning by themselves already for some time, for 6 months, for 1 year or something, find my channel and they find that really interesting and useful. And it's really big pleasure for me that you're watching me, even you have the experience and everything, and you still find something new and useful in my channel. I meet you in YouTube also, then I'm very comfortable to join you, that's why. Okay, perfect. New boy, hello. My Pakistan people English is weak. Okay. But your English is pretty good. Indicator zigzag is hard. No, it's not hard at all. We can talk about this indicator today if it's interesting for you. A friend Aussie recommended me after he followed you from a long time, new and keen to learn you for trading. Okay, perfect. It's so big pleasure when people telling me, and actually a lot of people telling me that their friends recommended me to them, or just someone from the family as well, and it's really like so big thank you to me. So guys, thank you so much. Financially freedom, okay, perfect. So Facebook, and I believe, okay, perfect. Just started and ready to invest, great. You know, one of the big thing about trading that, and why I also do all of this, is because start trading is pretty easy by the investments. Like, you don't need here big investments to start. And for example, in my book club channel, I don't have any minimum investment for people to start, just because I want everyone to have the opportunity to start trading and start learning in this industry. Because when I started, I didn't have anything, I didn't have any money, and I was just learning for 1 year, the theory, the strategies and everything. And only after that, when I saved up some money, I started trading. But at the same time, it was not a big money at that moment. It was like $500. I mean, it's big money, but anyway, it's comparing to the, for example, business investments, it's not a big money, because like when you want to open a business, you need the investments for at least 10K, 20K or something to create the team, to create your product, to run the ads, and more, create the content and blah, blah, blah. If you want to start your business, that will give you the big money, and that will give you some freedom in that point. And with trading, it's difficult, is different, not difficult, but at the same time, sometimes difficult. Actually, you need to also understand that. So with trading, it's different, because here minimum investments is really, really low. And that's why so many people is really interested in that area. And actually, this is really great. So that's why I also chose trading, because again, minimum investments here is really, really low compared to other industries when you want to work by yourself. So don't forget to visit here in the Philippines, okay? Of course, of course. I'm from South Africa, and I just started trading so I can travel around the world and be a digital nomad. Okay, that's really great goal. That's really great goal. I also actually, one of my biggest goal when I just start trading was traveling and being like a digital nomad, being just by myself, not having a boss or something, and that I could be just a free person. Because for me, it was really difficult always to be in the routine, to live in one city, in one country, don't see anything. I'm a traveler. I'm a person of adventures, and I live for that. For example, I don't know if you ever went to vacations to different countries, because for example, for me, before I start trading and making my own money, I never traveled. Like, my family was that financial in a not really good situation, because it was a big family, and I'm from just simple one from small city, and we didn't travel. So all my life I was just in one city, okay, in a few cities in around my city as well, and that's it. Like, I never traveled to any countries. So, and I realized when I'm gonna be adult, I'm definitely gonna travel. This is the first thing I'm gonna do with my first money, because I want these emotions, I want these adventures, because this is the life. This is the life, and you should enjoy the moment. You should do something that you really like and really love. And when you go to the vacation, for example, recently I was on Gili for 3 days. 3 days. It's the island around Bali, like 1 hour from here. This 3 days felt like 2 weeks, literally, because it was so much emotions. It was so much rest. It was a different views, different, people, emotions, adventures, that I didn't even feel the time. It was feeling like it's 2 weeks. So when you're traveling, your life start extending, if we can say that. Like, you feel like it was 3 days, but actually it feels like 2 weeks or 1 week, and you feel so good rested, you feel so nice, you're healthy because of that, because you don't have that much stress, you're happy because, again, you don't have the stress, you enjoy the moment, you work from anywhere in the world. And even when I was in Gili, I was still working, I was still trading just from my computer on the beach, literally. So this is the freedom, actually. So sometimes you need to lock down in your room, in your house, start trading, just do it, step by step, 24/7 at some moment, and after that you can enjoy the moment. This is the strategy you need to follow. Lizzie, you look prettiest in red. Thank you so much. Actually, few of my friends, one time I never wore something like this, like a red dresses. For me, it was something really vulgar. But one of my friends told me, like, wow, you look so good in red. And everyone started telling me that I look really good in red. And I was like, oh, really? Thank you. And after that, I started wearing red. I have a red nails. So it's my favorite color now. So thank you so much for this compliment as well. Hi, watching you live from New Orleans, Louisiana. Hello, US here. It's great. So grateful I found you, sister. Your guidance means so much. I'm still in the demo account, but every little progress is because of you. Thank you for inspiring us always. Thank you so much. I just screenshotted your comment because it's really nice to hear. Good day, madam. Please, when can a trade enter for trade either up or down? Thank you, madam. So also, guys, big attention that on the live streams I don't give you signals. We just trade here. I just trade with you in live time, but like you can just watch it, because here on the YouTube, unfortunately, it's a pretty big delay, and because of that, it will be not the same for you to following the signals here, because when you will see this moment, it's going to be 20 seconds later. So we will open the trade not at the same exact time, not at the same entry point. So it's better not to follow my signals on the live streams here on the YouTube, because again, because of the delay, and we cannot do anything with that. YouTube is just not allow us to do a little delay. It just because of the platform is happening. So The thing is that you can just open, for example, the same currency pair as me, just look at it, analyze it together with me, but not trade, because guys, it's really dangerous. I don't want to risk your money. First of all, my money is okay. Like, I can risk my money, I can lose it and everything. I don't care. But I feel a really big responsibility for your money and for when you trade, because it's firstly, it's my responsibility. You trust me, you follow my signals, so I feel really big, again, responsibility. Sorry for repeating this word for you. I'm from Russia. I'm also from Russia. Hello. Привет. From Nigeria. How to analyze charts. Hello, Lisa, you're well. Myself, I'm well. You're a good teacher. I'm learning a lot with you. Thank you guys so much. You're giving me so much feedback today. Wow. So, visit Pakistan, sis. Oh, I'm not sure about this. As I heard, it's, well, I mean, maybe it's just like, some kind of the stereotype, but as I heard, it's not really that, how to say that, it's not really that safe for a woman to be there alone. And firstly, like, usually I just trade by myself or with my girls, for example. So I don't know. I don't know. My family wants to say thank you to you. Oh, guys, thank you, Marime, thank you. Looking gorgeous in red, thank you again. It was intriguing watching you trade. Your strategies are working. Guys, I cannot stop to say thank you. I don't know any words the same as this, so I'm gonna say thank you every time. Sorry. Boom, boom, boom. I saw your live trading session, trading at $10 account and making it up to 10,000. Yes, that was a good video. From you, I get always profit for medicine. Oh, thank you. Profit Geek turned me onto your channel. Okay, good. Okay, I think I answered to everything. Hi from Antarctic. Antarctic, really? Are you serious? Are you from there? It's my dream to go there. Crazy. Next week, my brother, he's coming out from the hospital. Thank you so much for your help. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I remember your story. I remember you were texting me. I feel really sorry and feel really sorry for your brother, but I'm really glad that everything's fine. So keep me in touch. How's his feeling? Thank you for that, Lisa. How to analyze the chart from Egypt. Wow, I've never been to Egypt as well, actually. Sorry. I know it's pretty popular country to go for traveling, but I don't know why I've never been there. So need to go there sometime. Why not? Now I'm just stuck in Bali. I just really like it and I don't want to leave at that moment. So we'll see. Oh, here's a pretty good situation. Guys, let's change. Oh my god, the pocket option is a little bit lagging. Okay, let's open here, trade up for $50 for 2 minutes. Here, what we can see, guys, we immediately went to the practice and to the strategy. You can see your full screen. It's a full screen. I think you can see everything. You're always stunning. Thank you so much. So let's talk about this trade. So here we can see it was the downward trend before, right? It achieved this resistance level. It was up. Okay, let's start here. It was upward trend before. Boom. It achieved this resistance level. We can see it by the Donchian channels. Boom, here. For someone that really, you can see Donchian channels is here. Boom, boom, boom. So for someone that's really hard to find support and resistance levels of the chart. So support and resistance levels, I hope you all know about this. It's the lines of our price where it can go lower or higher, for example. So it's like some kind of the, lines that our chart is just like stopping every time. So for example, it just went here and it cannot go higher. So it just went lower and now it cannot go lower. And actually here support level is kind of the same with this support level. It was also here before. So here it achieved the support level and just couldn't go any lower. So it's the upward trend started here. Actually, it's reversed here a little bit. So let's see how we will end this trade. It's 34 seconds till the end of our trade. That's a new candle appear on the chart. It's reversed a little bit because here is still a little bit of fluctuations. So we can actually open here the upward trend as well for 3 minutes because we just didn't have enough time here. So here on the MACD, because it's definitely the upward trend here, we can see it by the parabolic SAR. We can actually maybe close this trade for $50. Let's see, it's pretty close to our entry points. So here we can see on the MACD also that the last pin bars is all green and they almost intersect the zero level here. You can see that, right? Okay, it's it would just didn't have a little bit of points to close this trade, but it's okay. We just opened another one. It's like a catch up. As you can see, the first trade I opened for $50. The next trade I'm opening for $100 to cover that losses and still have a profit, because we will have the payout of this trade of $92. So that's how we will recover our $50 loss and still have a profit of $42. That's it. That's the strategy of the catch-up system. Actually really easy. So again, about the indicators here. So here I also use MACD, as you can see, by the default settings, nothing changed. So here the last 7 pin bars is all green and they almost intersect the 0 level. So it's pretty good sign for the upward trend, for the buy signal. Also the two lines of MACD almost crossing each other right now, and they will go in the upward direction. So it's pretty good sign of the start of the upward trend. Also the line of the RSI, as you can see here, before when it achieved the support level, it was on almost on the level 35%. On the 35%, it's really close to oversold zone. Oversold zone is 30%. So when our line achieved this 30% or a little bit closer, it could mean that oversold zone happened, and now people gonna buy this currency pair. So that's why it's rising and rising. And here we can see how our trade and how our price start rising in a different direction, and now it's on the level 50%, something like this. Here it's fluctuating a lot still. As you can see, it's always around their entry point, then going a little bit lower. So let's see how we will close this trade. It's still 52 seconds till the end of a trade. We're in a plus right now. For example, we need a new competition. Okay, guys, I will do it definitely for you. Now I have the competition, guys, in my Instagram. By the way, if you don't know about this, I have a competition for, and I will choose the winners from the comments there. So you have a lot of the chances to win there, because it's not so many people there yet. And I will send them a prize as well to the winners. Can see your I can see my balance. Okay, sorry, wait a second. Okay, let's wait for the. Let's do like this. I hope you will see that right now. Let's check. It's just 14 seconds till the end of a trade. I hope you can see that now. If not, I will also check it. Sorry, yeah, thank you so much for saying. Thank you so much for saying. I didn't notice that. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and we close this trade. Okay, guys, perfect. Now I hope you can see it all. Yeah, okay, perfect. Now you can see that. As you can see, the delay is pretty big. I just saw it now. It's like 20 or 30 seconds after. NZD, USD, OTC. OTC. Guys, it's OTC pair. NZD/USD OTC. Also, it could be like that because you don't have a real account and you're in demo account. For some of the demo accounts, you don't have the currency pairs that I have because I have a real account. So that is the problem. Hey, Lisa, I can get to that chart. Or maybe it's also because, guys, because you have the Islamic account, if I'm right, or it's called like halal account, I'm not sure really. So you can change it in the settings because for some of the people from Islamic countries, you immediately have the Islamic accounts like halal account. I'm not really sure how it's calling like, but in some kind of this accounts also currency pair is not ooh, it's rising so much. Okay, let's open here a new trade. We were a bit late, but anyway, I opened here a trade for 3 minutes as well. Guys, as you can see, you can find this chart and you will see that you have absolutely different chart with me because like it's just a delay. So for example, I have a new candle that already opened, and for you it's still another candle going on, so you will see that on your chart. By the way, the time frame of the candles here is M2, so I don't really recommend you to do that. So yeah, I told you that. So Islamic account, you can turn it off in the settings. You have to use a real account. Yes, if you want to see all of the currency pairs. Okay, here's fluctuating, as you can see, just went a little bit lower, but we still have 2 minutes 15 seconds here, so it could reverse it anytime. Wait a second. Wait a second, guys. Oh, I will do like this a little bit. So, guys, I actually wanted to also like topic of today's live stream while we're waiting for a trade to close is currencies, stock or cryptocurrencies, how to choose the right asset for trading on pocket option, because I'm trading by the currencies. As you can see it here, you can see that you have a lot of the choice: currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and more. So I will also tell you why I chose the currencies after that, but for most of the people is the question like what to choose, what is better. So actually the financial markets and the pocket options platform as well offer you a wide range of trading opportunities, as we can say that, but choosing the right asset, currencies, stocks or cryptocurrencies, can be really challenging, and I can understand that, especially for beginners. So in each market, you also need to understand, has its own characteristics, also risks and strategies that traders must understand in order to maximize their profits. Because if you will start trading, for example, today currencies, tomorrow cryptocurrencies, then stocks or something else, you will be full of the information and you will be too mixed up, because it's all different markets, and for you it's better to choose something else and be more in that, only in one area of the trading, if we can say that. So we will explore today the key factors that influence asset selection, also the advantages and disadvantages of each market, and the best strategies also for trading on the pocket option as well. I'm showing you one of the strategy already with Parabolic SAR, with Donjin channels, MACD, and RSI. One of my favorite one for a long time right now. So guys, it's 1 second. Okay, it was really close, as you can see that in just last seconds we didn't close it. Okay, I think we're gonna change the chart right now. Give me just a second. Because you can see it start just going lateral movement, so it's not really good for us. So let's find something else instead. Sometimes it also could happen, as you can see. So that's why it's really important to follow the catch-up system in money management, because sometimes you just don't have 2 seconds to close the trade, and that is absolutely okay, because this is the market and everything changed here pretty quickly. So you need to follow always this strategy. So let's find something else. Here's already the currency pairs with the payout of 91%. Here it's not bad, but it could achieve the support level already now. Let's see how it will go. It's a little bit lagging today, or maybe just because I'm doing the YouTube now. Oh, by the way, it's not OTC pars here /USD. Okay, let's take a look for 90%. Not so many, actually, 92% payouts currency pairs right now. Let's check here. Okay, it's not good as well. As you can see, guys, also I will explain to you real quick, because a lot of people ask me how you choose the chart for trading. For me, kind of it's obvious, like, because I already traded a lot on different charts and I can immediately understand if this is a good chart or not. Here you can see it's going a lateral movement in this diapason, so it's not really consistent upward or downward trend. It's just going like this, like really mixing and without any logic, so you will not be able to close here trade normally. Here it's not that bad situation. So let's open here trade up for 3 minutes, because here payout is 92%, and also here it's not that big volatility, and it looks like the start of the upward trend. Of course, it could be the price fluctuation right now, and it will go lower after, so let's see how it will go. But by the indicators that we see right now, is definitely a buy signal here. So firstly, our chart, our price achieved the support level. We can see it by the Donjin channels. By the way, the new candle up here, okay, it's green, it's going higher and higher, so it's good for us. Again, boom. As you can see in market, everything changed really quickly, so you need to be really careful about all details. So here we can see by the Donjin channels that our chart achieved this support level and start reversing in an upward direction. Also by the Parabolic SAR, we can see that the green points is below our chart and moving from bottom to top, so this is a buy signal as well. Also we can see that the two lines of MACD is going in the upward direction. The last pin bars in MACD is green and start going even lower and lower and lower, sorry, bigger and bigger, if we can say that. So we can see that it's pretty strong and huge pin bars in the MACD indicator. They're all green, so it's another buy signal. And the line of RSI also moving upward. It's now on the level 50. But oh, pocket option is lagging too much today. Okay, now it's unlocked. So let's wait for this trade to close now. It's still 1.5 minutes. So first thing you need to do about our topic, about what kind of asset you need and you can to choose for yourself, how to do that. So firstly, you need to understand the different markets. First of all, it's currencies. So the foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. So it operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, allowing traders to take advantage of price movements in major currency pairs like Euro/USD, GBP/USD, and USD/GPI. So that's why, firstly, I choose the currency pairs because, again, it's the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Excuse me, right? So the pros of this is, first of all, high liquidity ensures quick order execution. Second of all, the market is influenced by macroeconomic events, central bank policies, and global economic trends, so which provide trades with ample trading opportunities. It goes to our fundamental analysis. I had a video about this. I was talking about this. We can analyze the news that already happened in the world and how they can also affect on the currency pairs and on the movement of our chart. And also, leverage allows traders to open large positions with a small investment. So also, this is one of the biggest things. So yeah, guys, we close our trade here. Let's change our amount of money back because it was a catch up. And now we open a trade up as well for 3 minutes. What about cons, right? What about disadvantages of currencies? First of all, is high volatility can lead to significant losses if risk is not managed properly. That's what I'm talking about. Because again, high volatility can happen anytime, and also anything can happen and your chart will just reverse in a different direction. And if you will not use a 1% rule, that means that you use only 1% of your deposit per trade, you will just lose all of your money. So that's why, because I know a lot of people start trading with half of their amount, with half of their deposit, for example. For example, they have $100 and they start trading with $50 per trade. It's absolutely not logical. If you will lose a trade, you will not be able to recover that. So also, it requires a deep understanding of fundamental and technical analysis to predict price movement. So it's not just, an easy thing. It's not just the luck. It's not the casino or something else. It's a really, really big knowledges and information that you need to know and practice as well to being able to trade on the currencies. What about stocks? So stock trading involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. For example, Apple, Samsung, or something else. Unlike currencies, like Forex as well, stock prices are influenced by company performance, earning reports, and overall market trends. So what is the advantages also of that? I can actually really, really hardly understand the people that's trading stocks. It's pretty not popular thing, but anyway, we're gonna talk about this. So advantages is stocks tend to follow long-term trends, making them ideal for both short-term trades and long-term investors. It's more for the people that like long-term trades. But at the same time, like short-term traders also can lead into that, but sometimes it's not that good as for long-term investors. Also, market movements are often more predictable compared to Forex. This is really true, and that's why also a lot of the traders that are trading right now in the Forex, they were trading on the stocks before because it's just much more easier for some people, but the payouts there and the conditions on the stocks is not that good as in Forex. So that's why a lot of people go on Forex. Also, some stocks offer dividends, providing an additional source of income, but it's also more for long term, and that's why many people want to wait for it. Here we can see it also reversed in a different direction. So let's change our amount of money per trade. Guys, I hope you all can see me. Okay, wait. Wait. Let me check your comments first, because while I was talking, you were texting me comments. Here, I open a trade down for $100. So, I missed it. It didn't work. You have to use a real account. La la la. Okay, we already saw that. What time zone are you in? I will not calculate it right now. I'm in Bali, so you can check it in the Google. Lisa, please, why don't you trade the normal market rather than OTS? Because OTC is manipulated. There are some normal currencies with high payout. OTC is manipulated by who? It's the normal market manipulated by the government. OTC is not. So it's not manipulated. It's just for OTC pair, it's just more easier to go into the market. And that's it, actually. And a lot of the normal markets, currencies, is much more worser than the OTC pairs, and that's why we're only using them. It's not because we want high volatility or for example, a big payout only. It's just because the charts is really nice on the OTC pairs. The thing that it's not controlled by the government, it doesn't mean that it's something really bad. It's still controlled by the platform that we're working on. It's all beginning to make sense now. Thank you. Okay, perfect, guys. So we'll continue talking about the stocks and their disadvantage, because we were talking about advantages only. So the stocks market has fixed trading hours and limited flexibility as well. So for some of the people, it's also can be a disadvantage. And also, price are affected by company news, industry trends, and economic conditions, which can lead to sudden price fluctuations as well, but actually on every market as usual. And also, the most interesting part is cryptocurrencies, of course. Cryptocurrencies has gained really significant popularity due to the high volatility and potential for substantial profits. So unlike, for example, traditional markets, crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized and operate 24/7 as well. So one of the big advantage of the crypto definitely is extreme price movements create opportunities for high profits. That's why a lot of people go there, because it's really big profits, could be like really fast one, but you need to get in at the right time and also get out at the right time, or you will lose everything. So it's it's kind of like everything or nothing, So here we can see it start going in the upward direction again. So let's change our amount of money per trade. The pocket option is lagging so much. I don't know if it's because I'm doing the stream right now, or maybe just in comments. So here, open another trade for $200 off for 3 minutes. So also about the cryptos, that the market is decentralized, meaning it is not directly controlled by central banks or governments. Also, as the OTC pairs, by the way, it's also really important to notice, because a lot of people is like really talking bad about OTC pairs because they're not directly controlled by the government and central banks. But about crypto, everything is like, and everyone is talking like, oh, crypto is really good, is really nice. But they all forget that like the OTC pairs and the cryptos, both not directly controlled by central banks or governments. And for some of the people, that comparing OTC pairs and like normal markets is like a really big disadvantage. But we need to remember that about the crypto is the same. So just keep it in your head. So also, crypto assets provide a hedge against traditional financial system. So that's why as well. And the cons, the disadvantage of the crypto is that high volatility increases the risk of losses. A really big risk, actually. That's why I don't choose crypto, definitely. Second of all, the market is influenced by speculation, regulatory changes, and technological advancements, making it unpredictable. Absolutely, almost absolutely. So security concerns such as hacking and fraud are common risk in cryptocurrency trading. So that's why I don't really choose it. And for me, I don't know, the currencies is the best. And I start my journey from the currencies and for a long time in this industry, not the other one. So I think you should be better and the best in in one thing. So that's how you could be the best in this, because if you will try this and this and this and this, trying to make as much money as you can, you will not be successful in your area, definitely. So also, how to choose the right asset on the pocket option, because we were talking about advantages, disadvantages, and by this you can already make your own conclusion, but for you to say also, I will explain you a little bit more. So when selecting an asset to trade, it is essential to consider factors such as market conditions, risk tolerance, and also personal trading style. Something that you like, something that you are good at. So here are some kind of the tips that help you to make the best decision in that. So by the way, about our trades, it's going a little bit lower, as you can see, start reversing in a downward direction. So I think we're gonna change the chart because it's fluctuating here a lot. Oh, here's a pretty good one. So here I opened 2 trades in a downward direction for 3 minutes. It's lagging so much. I already clicked on the button and it's opening just now. I don't know if it's because of the... Oh my God, what is that? I don't know if it's because of the pocket option or because of the YouTube today. So, First of all, we will keep talking right about what asset to choose. First of all, if you prefer lower risk and stable price movements, stocks might be a better option here. So if you can handle high volatility, cryptocurrencies and Forex can offer greater profit potential. So you need to choose here what's the best for you. Second of all, also trading hours. So Forex and cryptocurrencies allow 24/7 trading, while stocks have fixed market hours. And that's why it's also not giving you that much profit as cryptocurrencies and currencies. So you need to choose a market that aligns with your schedule as well. But maybe stocks for someone also could be good. Also, third of all, it's news and events, as we were talking about before. So you need to stay updated on a global economic news, corporate earnings reports, and regulatory developments as well. So each market reacts differently to news, and understanding these reactions can give traders an edge. Fourth of all is technical fundamental analysis. So currency that Forex traders rely heavily on technical indicators and economic reports as well. Stock traders focus on company performance more, and crypto traders consider market sentiment and blockchain developments. So for me personally, technical indicators, I love them, and economic reports as well. Also analyzing the news is the best for me. It's something that I'm good at, so you should definitely try everything that and realize what's working best for you, because if you will not try, you will never know. Also, short-term or long-term strategy. So if you prefer quick trades and short-term profits, Forex and cryptocurrencies as well are suitable for you more. For long-term investments, stocks are a more stable choice. If you don't want to risk, if you're not a really riskful person and you really want to make profits, but for you it's not really that important to start making it tomorrow or today, for example, stocks also could be a really good option for you. So let's see, it's 20 seconds here, and it's going a little bit lower here as well, even though it should reverse here, because as we can see, it was the upward trend before, to achieve this resistance level and start reversing in a different direction. So let's see. Okay, I don't think we close it, so let's open here another trade for $800 down for 3 minutes here. What's up? Already opened here trade. Yeah, it's already been like 10 seconds. It just I just see it only now. So Also, strategies. We wanted to talk about this, right? On the pocket option. First of all, for forex trading, for currencies, you can use indicators such as moving averages. Yeah, I was showing you that. For example, I like to use two moving averages, one of them with period 14. We click save, and the second of them is with period, what is that? I cannot even click on the indicator. Oh my god, it's lagging so much. Okay, finally. Crazy. Okay, let me do something like this. As you can see, it just went higher so much, even though like it should be already the start of the reversal. Out/cat have good chart and upward trend. Try this. Okay, I will check it now. The broker is the owner of OTC pairs. They created the OTC pairs so they can manipulate it. Are you sure about this? I don't really think so. Appreciate the breakdown. Is there any best time to trade? Yeah, actually, it's the morning on by the New York time, so you should compare it to your time as well and trade when it's the morning in the New York. It is lacking. I think it's streaming via YouTube. Yeah, guys, it's really big problems with the YouTube today. I don't know what's happening because it's lagging so much actually, and also the chart's lagging, the pocket option as well today. I don't know. So yeah, wait a second. Let's wait here. Here we can see still went a little bit higher, but I think now it's already should reverse in a different direction. Ooh, what is going on here? Let's open here 2 more trades. Here's a pretty big volatility, as you can see, just jumping really fast. But we don't really have that much currency pairs. So. He's right about OTC, its manipulation. Guys, well, if you don't like to trade OTC pairs, it's absolutely your choice, and you can trade on the normal markets. It's absolutely good and fine. If you will find the chart on the normal market that working good for you and you want to trade on this perfectly, and sometimes in my web club we trade on the normal market as well. I'm not against the normal market or something. Just for me, most of the times normal market doesn't really have a really good charts for short-term trading. For long-term trading, yes, it's pretty good. For example, Euro/USD, GBP/GPI, for example, GBP/USD as well. Perfect for long-term trading or medium-term trading as well. For example, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes as well. But we trade with 2 minutes, 3 minutes per trade in Banviv Club because also most of the people want as much signals as they can have. So that's why a lot of the people is asking for short-term trades for like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes as well. It's just lagging. It's not even changing the time here. It's crazy. Pocket option is boom today. So yeah, and we traded with short-term trades. So that's why the OTC pairs is kind of better for that because again, it's a pretty high volatility there or medium volatility that really nice for short-term trading because it's pretty strong upward trend or pretty strong downward trend. On the regular market, it's going more like this, so it's really long, it's really slow. The candles there's pretty also small as well, and on the OTC market we have more movements there, so that's why it's allowing us to close as much trades as we can. So that's why only so for long-term trading, for medium trading as well, regular market is good, definitely. For the short-term trading, OTC markets and OTC pairs is more convenient and more profitable. I think 2 minutes is the best rather than 10 minutes, 3 minutes. You see, for some people, 2 minutes is just the best. And we're talking about regular markets when you will open their trade for 2 minutes and it will change for like 2 points. That's it. And you will have so much fluctuations around your entry point that you will probably not gonna close the trade. And also when I give a signals on the regular market and the movement there is really slow because the volatility there is really also little. So yeah, we'll close this trade definitely, finally, finally, because of the lagging and everything. So when I give a signals, for me, it's pretty important so that the volatility will be medium or strong. So that's how we will have a good distance between closing price and open price. So everyone will close a trade, because if we will have a really, really small distance and difference between, again, open price and closing time. So for example, 2 points, I will close the trade and people will not close the trade, for example, because the difference is really slow, again, really, really small. Why you don't try halal pairs? Because I'm Christian. I think Lisa, this is manipulation. Is the market being difficult today? Because I see a lot of losses. Actually, we closed the trades after that. Yeah, we had a catch-ups here. As you can see, it was 100, 200, then 400, 800 here. And then we closed a trade. We opened a trade, the last one for $160, and it's minus 172 points. So we closed this catch-up and got our profit. And the previous one was $50, $100, then $50 again, $100. So we got like 3 profits. It's not that bad. We had a pretty big catch-ups also because of the lagging of the pocket option, but then we found this currency pair and we closed this trade. So guys, really, really soon I will start a trading session in my VIP club. So I already need to end it all here to prepare for a trading session. So I hope you understand. And thank you so much everyone for joining it today. I hope you like it, and see you today on the VIP club for trading session. Guys, and bye-bye.